In this tutorial, I just want to talk about the dollar function in Excel. So the dollar function converts a number into a text using currency format, and the currency format is just whatever default that you have in your computer. So we have the number 1.5, and to use the dollar function to have this be text in currency format, we can do equals dollar, open parentheses, the number, so what number do you want to convert to the text, and then comma the number of decimals to just call it 2. And it's like that. We have the number converted into text using currency format. And to show you that it is text, we can do equal is number, open parentheses, and the value above will return true because that's a number. But on the other hand, though, the value to the right will return false because it is formatted as a text. So now, what the benefit of using this is that it will save you time versus using the text function, for example. So, for example, to do the same thing using the text function, you have to highlight the values and then format the text using dollar zero point $0.00, for example, for 2 decimal places, and then close parentheses. So as you can see, it's a little bit cleaner to just use the dollar function than it is to use the text function. Like so. Then also you have a flexibility. So for some reason you want numbers in different formatted as text and currency, but with different numbers of decimals for whatever reason, you can have a cell reference using the dollar function that you can't using the text function because the text function is just manual typing of the format. So you can do equals dollar. That's a number, and we want 1 decimal, for example. That's what it looks like. But we can lock this down. And as you can see, the number of decimals is a cell reference as opposed to the kind of more manual, the more manual dollar 0.00 or 0 or how many zeros you want in the text function. Obviously, you're going to clean this up if you're going to be using this, but hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.